morning everyone. Today our topic is hormonal control of digestive secretions. The release of secretions from the digestive glands is controlled by hormones produced by the epithelium of certain regions of the alimentary canal. These hormones are carried by blood to the digestive glands, which then release their secretions. Let us see how hormonal control of digestive secretions takes place. There are different types of hormones secreted by the digestive system like Gastrin, Enterogastrone, Secretin, Cholecystokinin, Willikinin, Diocrinin, Enterocrinin. Let us see about these hormones in detail. The gastrin is secreted by mucosa of pyloric stomach. It stimulates the secretion of gastric juice and also it constricts the cardiac sphincter. The second hormone is enterogastrone. It will be secreted by duodenal epithelium. It slows down the gastric contractions and it delays its emptying, and also it stops the secretion of gastric juice. The third hormone is secretin. This also secreted by duodenal epithelium. The release of sodium bicarbonate in pancreatic juice, and also it steps up the secretion of bile juice and inhibits the secretion of gastrin. The fourth hormone is cholecystokinin, which is also called as pancreozymin. This is also secreted by duodenal epithelium. The release of enzymes in pancreatic juice, release of bile from the gallbladder is the function of cholecystokinin. The fifth one is willikinin. This is secreted by intestinal epithelium and it accelerates the movements of villi. The sixth hormone is diocrinin. This also will be secreted by intestinal epithelium. The release of viscous mucus from Brunner's gland is the function of diocrinin. And the seventh hormone, that is the last hormone, is enterocrinin. This also will be secreted by intestinal epithelium. The release of enzymes from Lieberkühn crypts is the action of enterocrinin. So, in summary, the gastrin is secreted by mucosa of pyloric stomach. Enterogastrone, secretin, cholecystokinin is secreted by duodenal epithelium. Willikinin, diocrinin, enterocrinin is secreted by intestinal epithelium. Thank you.